Hi, and welcome to Let's Bake and Cook Stuff. Today I'm making sugar cookies. I'm going to try and do this quickly because I already did this video and it was super long, so I'm trying to cut it shorter. So we're going to see, I just couldn't even cut that one any shorter. We're going to just try and just zoom right through. If you have any questions, make sure you put them in the comments and I'd be happy to answer them for you, okay? Okay, that was 1.5 cups of sugar and 1.5 cups of butter. Now we're adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of orange extract. That is optional. We're gonna get that beaten. Now we're gonna add 2 eggs, one at a time. Okay, now we have 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We're gonna whisk and then add them to our butter mixture. Turn this on low and I'm going to add this in slowly. We will finish mixing this on the counter. And I'm just going to mix this together. We're going to form it into 2 discs. Okay, these are in 2 nicely shaped discs. We're going to put them in the fridge. They really need to be in the refrigerator for about 1/2 hour. Again, to an hour. If you ended up wanting to do these for tomorrow, that wouldn't be a problem either. Thanks for watching. Okay, it's been 1/2 hour. The dough is nice and ready to be rolled. I put some flour on the bottom, put some flour on the top, and now we're rolling. I do have this rolling pin. It's got kind of a cheat. It's got like this guide here. It's going to get me right to 1/4 of an inch. That's how thick I like my cookies. Oven's ready. I like my cookies 1/4 of an inch. You'll see some recipes that say 1/8 of an inch. I think that's too thin when you want to decorate them. You want to use as little flour as possible, but as much as you need. Here's my ugly sweater cookie cutter. Okay, and then just press. I like to use a spatula to remove them from the surface. Get them onto the cookie tray. These are going to go into a preheated oven, 350, 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to do a couple of Christmas trees. Show you. Okay, now for these trees, I'm going to brush them, and you want to put it everywhere where you're going to be putting the sugar, okay? Okay, and if you don't put that glue on there, that heavy cream, your sugar won't stick. It's already some of it going to fall off, but it'll stick a lot better with having that glue on there. Okay, next we're going to do candy canes. I'll be right back. Okay, and now we've got our dough rolled out. We're ready for the candy cane cookies. Okay, 8 to 10 minutes. And we're gonna let them cool, then we're gonna decorate. All right, just want a thin stripe. Toothpick, and we're just going to drag it from the top and wipe it off when it gets gunky. And then we'll do the other sleeve so that they're kind of going to be the same. All right, and then they're just going to go straight down. And you can go back up too, but we're just going to go straight down on this one. Oops, kind of squiggly. Okay, and there you have it. See it? And there you have it. Ugly sweaters and candy cane cookies and little stars. And that's it. You saw how easy it was. Now you go and do it. Take care now. Thanks for watching.